Quite often, videos come with loud background noise that spoils the whole impression. To share such a video, you'll need to mute it first. Watch this tutorial and learn how to remove audio from video in a few clicks. As a bonus, you'll learn how to add a soundtrack to it. We'll be using Clipify, an automatic video editor. After you've opened the software, select New Project, and then Blank Project. Now add your video to the program. There are two ways to remove the sound from your clip. You can right-click the video and choose Mute. Alternatively, you can click the Edit button on the toolbar and stay on the General tab. To remove the sound completely, drag the volume slider to the left or click the mute icon. That's all. However, if you don't want your video to be silent, you can accompany it with a soundtrack. Move to the Files tab and click Open Music Collection. There is a built-in collection of soundtracks for every taste. Choose the category or genre you need and pick a soundtrack that fits the mood of your clip. Click Add to Project and align the audio layer with the length of your clip. Now you can save your upgraded video. Click Create Video and select the needed format. You can create video for PC, burn it to DVD, or save your clip for watching on your smartphone or media player. Now you know how to remove audio from video in a snap. Download Clipify and remove disturbing sounds from videos with ease.